He has been really good at making his bed and putting clothes away, but there is a whole pile of clothes down here. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I have filmed a video, and today I am back with a power half hour to 1, motivate me, and 2, hopefully it will motivate you as well. I'm just tackling Will's room today, but I have lots of cleaning content coming your way. So if you are new around here, hi, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids. And here on my channel I do lots of cleaning motivation, 1 to motivate you, and 2 mainly to motivate myself. I have missed filming cleaning videos. If you don't follow along on my Instagram, I did have emergency surgery and I have just been taking things easy, but I am back to filming. This is a rambly intro, so I'm going to stop chatting and let's get cleaning. In Will's room, he has been really good at making his bed and putting clothes away, but there is a whole pile of clothes down here, and his bed, I am stripping it today.
Thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. Yeah. I'm waking up now.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you needed today. Comment below and let me know if you tackled any rooms in your home today, and I would love for you to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this, but I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye, guys.